Welcome to Newton Nissan. You can see other vehicles at newtonnissan.com. This is a 2015 Nissan Titan Crew Cab. It is Newton certified pre-owned, so you'll want to ask your sales associate about the benefits of that program, peace of mind. This has a SV value truck package, so the dark hyper wheels that you see are a part of that package. This is the Arctic Blue. You have a locking bed storage there for if you want to put your tow hitch ball or something in there so that people don't, so it doesn't grow legs. This has a Bedliner, a soft tonneau cover, tonneau, however you pronounce it. It's almost like the potato. All right, charcoal interior. That window actually goes down, so it's really neat. It's almost like having a window like you have on the other doors, but it's on the back. Actually, I like that feature better than just a sliding rear window. It seems like it gives you a larger opening there for that. Power driver's seat with lumbar. Lots of cup holders. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt, cruise control, rear sonar system, Bluetooth hands-free phone operation. Tilt that up a little. Cruise control drops on the right-hand side. Navigation, a huge plus in that package. Rear backup camera, Rockford Fosgate premium audio, and much more. You can see this vehicle for a limited time at newtonnissan.com.